This video will show you how to replace Mopit 4 switches. Pull the drain hose and vacuum hose out of their clips and let them rest on the floor. Open the solenoid plate and disconnect the main electrical connection. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to remove the 4 handlebar bolts. Use the onboard 5/32 Allen wrench to remove the 4 dash plate screws. Lift the plate off and use a Phillips or flathead screwdriver to remove the switch wires. When you replace the switch, the same color wires need to go to the same switch, but it doesn't matter which switch terminal you put them on. Use pliers to remove the switch retaining ring. Call Spectrum's 800 number on the dashboard if you have any questions.